Hello Stellar XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Stellar XLM latest and urgent update my friends. So before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, in this time if we talk about the Stellar XLM price, so 0.25 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Stellar XLM. Furthermore my friends, if we talk about the BTC 24 hours and market cap of the Stellar XLM, so I think everything is gradually start increasing, but unfortunately the latest changes of the Stellar XLM is completely going wrong. Let me show you the latest changes of the Stellar XLM. Oh my goodness, now you can see here my friends, the Stellar XLM is completely going wrong. The last hour, 24 hours, 7 days changes of the Stellar XLM is completely negative. Negative 0.82% fast down in the last 1 hour, negative 2.48% fast down in the last 24 hours, and also same like that the 7-day changes of the Stellar XLM is also wrong. So what should we do in this critical situation? I really recommend for my viewers, my subscriber, in this critical situation that please don't decide to sell. If you decide to sell, so you're completely in the loss, because the last 1 week changes is negative. So if the changes is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. So don't decide to sell, it's time to only hold. And let me show you the price chart of the Stellar XLM. My friends, if we look the price chart of the Stellar XLM and if we do a technical analysis, so you can see that the Stellar XLM price is very badly fast down in the previous time in the June month. But now in the latest changes, in the latest you can see in the July, the Stellar XLM gradually, not a quick jump, okay, in the Stellar XLM gradually start increasing. So I hope, I'm mostly about Stellar XLM that they will take a huge pump my friends. So that's why I'm actually recommend for all of you to please hold, don't decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.